Do you want to be a legend in your own kitchen? Carrots can get you there. They are so versatile. They go in just about everything. And this time of year especially, I like them pickled. I like them in salads. I like them in sandwiches. And they're so easy to make. I like to use equal parts of sugar and vinegar. In this case, for this amount of carrots, I just use about 3 tablespoons of each. All dissolved. And you take the carrots, pop them in, add the vinegar, mix them around. Refrigerate it. That'll take about 10 minutes till they're nice and pickled. Now, in this case, to get these matchstick-sized carrots, I used a mandolin. Mandolin, if you didn't know, that's French for guillotine. Most dangerous thing in the kitchen. You might have one, you might not have one. Now, you don't have to go out and buy one. Another thing you can do is just use a box grater. Use it on the big shred size. They won't come out like that, but they'll have a good size, and they'll do exactly the same thing. So one or the other will do it. And now, oh look, I have a sandwich, and I've got my pickled vegetables. This is going to make a great looking sandwich even better. Just take them, get a little bit of the mixture off of it, and voila, my sandwich is complete. That simple. This is going to be a fantastic sandwich. 3 simple ingredients: sugar, vinegar, and the carrots. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit like, and even better, please hit subscribe.